What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jacky and today we have an Ipsy. If you like the look on my face right now, I'm wearing it from my BOXYCHARM unboxing, so if you want to check that out, I'll have it linked in the description below. But you can't leave right now because we have an Ipsy unboxing, so click on that link later. I'm gonna jump on into it. It's a very smooth bag this time. I think last time was like a wrinkly bag. What does it look like? I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous. I'm scared and nervous. What the heck is this? Oh, shut up. Okay, now that you've been quieted. Oh. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. I love white marble. We gotta open it. And I'm so nervous that the inside of this bag is gonna disappoint me. Pulling out the little thingy in here. Don't start barking right now, please. It says dream big, win big in pink marble. And it's a clean slate, that's what it is. This is a contest. It's not dream big, win big. It's a clean slate. Cause January, new year, clean slate, new life, new you. Okay, so it says, this is your year, say goodbye to what no longer serves you. Habits, feelings, expired mascara. You didn't have to come at me. I'm gonna set you down now. I'm a little offended. You better give me some mascara in here then. This is from Jules Smith Beaute, and it's in the shade Moonbeam Dream. What is this? What is this? Power Gloss. Okay, I'll throw this on right now. Let's try this on. Let's try this on for size. How do you fail opening this type of packaging? How do I do that? I need a mirror. I'm in such a happy mood now. I was in kind of an upset mood because of my BOXYCHARM unboxing. But I'm in a good mood now. Whoa. Whoa, what is this? It's like pearlescent. It's like a hair? You don't understand what I'm saying. It's like a pearl lip gloss. Very like purpley shimmery. Try to get some of my lipstick off of the applicator before I put it back in. And it says the iridescent lavender gloss. It smells like something. That doesn't smell like lavender. Gloss from Jules Smith Beauty will make your lips the center of your look. It's ultra shiny but not sticky. And is infused with vitamin A and E to make your lips super smooth. Even better, it's inspired by gemstones to bring you balance and harmony every time you swipe it on. I don't know if it's bringing me balance and harmony, but it's bringing me happiness. Tip, use this iridescent gloss as a lip topper over your favorite lipstick for a cool shimmery effect. AKA, I just did that. I put it over my lipstick. And now I look cool and shimmery. Approved. Next thing in here, this feels like a box, so I'm gonna open it. This is something I have used and loved before. This is the Too Faced Hangover RX Replenishing Face Primer. There's something in my mouth. There's hair sticking to this gloss. I used to use this very, very often. I did really like it. I haven't been using face primers as much as I should, I guess. I haven't felt like they were doing that much greatness, but this one actually does really good for you. It like hydrates you and you feel really good underneath your foundation. So I am pretty excited to get this, even though it is a little trial size. I do really want to go ahead and use it. This actually might be better for me that it's a trial size because I've been so bad at using face primers that this little amount will be good for me because I have a lot of face primer to use, but also way too much packaging. Let's move on into the beautiful bag. There's another box. This is Bella Pierre Cosmetics Liquid Shadow Eye Candy in the shade Venus. Literally, what kind of a person am I that I can't open things? Eventually, I'm gonna trademark myself as being the person that can't open my thing. Like, I don't want to be known for that. Ooh. This is like I always compare it to the e.l.f. Molten eyeshadows. Don't judge my hands. I'm really freaking dry right now. I just washed my hands and yeah, so take that as your girl washes her hands, not your girl's got ashy hands, but this is what it looks like right here. So it's actually a lot less opaque than I anticipated it to be. There's actually much more glitter in it than brownness. This like bronzy color would have been really pretty, but this is actually very transparent. Just a lot of glitters in it. Looks like a full size though, doesn't it? It says, when we pass this bronze shadow around Ipsy headquarters, you're gonna give us the inside scoop. Everyone was mesmerized by the stunning shimmer. Yeah, That's all I see is shimmer. The liquid formula dries down when it hits your skin, leaving you with a wash of metallic color that lasts for hours, but it's really not that brown. I wanted it to be way more like bronzy brown. Anyway, it does say it is a full size and it's a $20 value. Next thing in here is another box. This is Ciate London Glow to Illuminating Blush. I just got their illuminating, like their marbled light illuminating blush, which I'm absolutely in love with already. I use that thing almost every day. As long as the look of my eyes fits for it, I'm wearing that on my face. So I wonder what this will look like. Oh, I did not anticipate it to be that high up. Like I thought it was gonna be flat, but it's got like a swirl. It looks like a candy swirl. Do you remember strawberry creams? That's how old I am. Strawberry creams. I'm like super in love with like old lady candy, like butterscotch, strawberry creams. Why did they get rid of strawberry creams again? It looks kind of just like my, no. This has some shimmer in it. The marbled light from Ciate London, the one that I have in full size from BOXYCHARM December, was not shimmery. This actually has some shimmer in it. That wasn't entirely matte, but still really sheeny. I don't know how much I'll like that on my face, although I have been into sheeny blushes lately. And last thing in here, this is Purlisse Blue Lotus 4-in-1 Cleansing Milk. Gently cleanses skin, removes makeup, tones, and soothes soap and sulfate free. I was like, soothes soap and sulfate free, which is great because I don't really like putting soap on my face anymore. I wonder when I would use this. Like, do you think it's thick enough that I could use this as my first wash, like removing makeup and then going in with something else? Or do you think this is lighter and I would need to do my first wash and then this would be my second wash? Obviously, I shouldn't put this on my hand right now, but here I am.
Once again.
Uh-oh, that's a copyright. Okay. I'm just gonna rub it on both of this stuff. Brown's not fully coming up. It came up a little bit. The more I rub, it's coming up a little bit more. Probably use this as a second wash. Was it true that I loved the bag the most this month?
Absolutely.
This is the first bag I think I've loved this month. This much. There was another one, like the army green textured one that I really did like. There's a few that I did like, this being my favorites so far. And then going into the products that are my favorite, because I just like to finish up with what I'm excited to use and what I'm not excited to use. And this, of course, I'm excited to use this. I'm really excited to use that primer because I did really love it. It makes your skin feel so good. And then next thing I'm excited to use in here, I actually do like this lip topper for some reason. I don't think I would have liked it a couple of years ago. If you had asked me a couple of years ago, I don't think I would have liked it at all. I'm gonna say it and I'm gonna hate myself for saying it because I don't like olden decades, like 90s. It looks like an old decade. It's kind of cute, so I kind of am liking that. Next thing in here, probably really excited about these two things. I like cleansing milks. I like anything that's gonna cleanse but not strip your skin of natural oil. And then the Ciate blush seems really good, but I think I'm going to like the marbled light one more just because there's no shimmer in it. And then last thing in here, I'm not the most excited for this. These types of formulas on me just don't work that well. There's a lot of oiliness that goes on with them, and I have a little bit of oily eyelids if I don't powder them or if I go over it with a texture like this. So that'll be interesting to use. I'm honestly a little bit nervous to use it. Thanks so much for letting me like lean back and like relax a little bit. I don't think you're really letting me, it's just me doing it in this chair. I don't know why this format just makes me feel like I'm chilling with my friend and just talking to you guys. And this is how I would sit if I was chilling and talking to you guys. So you can't see it, but I'm pretty comfortable right now. Thank you guys so much for watching my channel and Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I hope you'll subscribe if you want to hang out some more. Open up some boxes with me. Talk about some makeup with me. Never hear me shut up with me. I'll see you guys next time.